Team Math people. Today we are going to take an algebraic expression and find its equivalent. Okay, let's do some math. So 9/4 x squared minus 1, that quantity, minus the quantity 3/2 x minus 1, quantity squared, is equivalent to what? So I rewrote the problem out and I wrote PEMDAS because that's what we're going to use. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So parentheses, let's look in the parentheses first. That's the order of operations. Okay, so I can see right there in the first expression that I can factor that into the difference of two squares. So the difference of two squares is if you have a squared minus b squared, that's the same thing as a plus b times the quantity a minus b. So let's let a equal 3/2 x, because 3/2 x squared is 9/4 x squared. So we're going to put it, see how I put that in the parentheses, because that's my a. And b is going to be 1. So minus 1 squared is the same as minus 1. And then I left the rest the same, minus 3/2 x minus 1 quantity squared. Okay, so the first part of that equation is going to be 3/2 x plus 1 and times 3/2 x minus 1 using the difference of two squares, minus, and then I'm going to write out 3/2 x minus 1 times 3/2 x minus 1. That's the same as 3/2 x squared. And now I can factor out, if you have ax minus ay, that's the same as a. You can factor out an a times the quantity x minus y. So in this case, we're going to factor out a 3/2 x minus 1 from both terms. And we're left in the first term with 3/2 x plus 1, and the second term is minus 3/2 x minus 1. So now I'm going to say, well, 3/2 x, look at the bottom blue line. I have 3/2 x minus 3/2 x. That's 0. And then the second term is 1 minus -1, which is 2. So I have 3/2 x minus 1 times the quantity 0 plus 2, which is the same as 3/2 x minus 1 times 2. And we need to distribute that 2 throughout. So we get 2 times 3/2 x minus 2 times 1 is 2. Divide both sides, divide the top and bottom by 2 in the first term. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that leaves us with 3x in the first term and minus 2 in the second term. And A is the answer.